Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how to make trading easy for yourself. So in order to do this, you'll have to first of all learn all of the indicators and tools and strategies that are necessary for you to apply in that while trading stocks. Most of the traders out there, they do not maybe new of them, the professional ones, they do use those, but the new traders, they are confused of what strategy they should use at a certain time. And for for a professional trader, what they do is they know how to use the indicators, they know how to use the tools, they know how to use apply different strategies at different points. They recognize different entry and exit points, so because of that, trading is easy for them, and they do not face any difficulties while trading stocks. And for the new traders, they who do not have much experience and do not know when to apply a certain strategy, they oftenly mm, they face difficulties while trading stocks. So to to trade stocks easily, first of all what you're going to do is recognize indicators for yourself. Those indicators which when you use, they are you are comfortable using them, and they are easy and simple to understand. So try to find out those indicators for yourself which are easy and simple to understand. So do not use not more than 2 or 3 indicators. Using a lot of indicators can make your chart quite complex, and it will you cannot understand that easily. So try to use it, try to make it as simple as possible. The second thing is that know when to apply a certain strategy at a certain point. So recognize different entry points and exit points. So recognize different entry and exit points, recognize different strategies at different points. When you use them, have a plan in, and also have a plan in place. When you have a plan in place, it will be easier for you to apply apply a strategy at a right time. So for accomplishing this, you you must do it with simple and easy steps. Do not make it complex, using this and that. Now for as an example, I'm going to use moving average parabolic SAR. That's it, no more than this. And some other thing is that this is my strong resistance level. So this is a strong and this is a strong support level. So most oftenly I use this in my charts. I use do not more than these. I use this. You can see how simple and clear it is. Now to be if you want to go more in detail, like go more in detail, and you want to see that how different aspects of it work. So I've already uploaded a chart at this point. Where is it? Yes, this one. So now you're going to see the advanced version of that chart. Now this you can see is the advanced version of the chart. I've already uploaded it. You can see the red is for resistance level. This is the support level. I'm going to make it blue, sorry, green. I'm going to make it green. Now this also just in case if the stocks start to plummet down, this for this. And now what I know right here is that this is a strong resistance level, and once it breaks this resistance level, it is going to move upward. So the stock is now oscillating between these 2 points. So it is now oscillating between these 2 points, and once it breaks this resistance level, it is going to move upward, as it did with this case. It broke this resistance level and moved upward. The same it's going to do with this at this point. You can see at this point as well, it's going to break this resistance level and move upward. So this is the case of using simple and right strategies. It will help you clearly define of how the stock is performing and where the stock is heading. So try to use simple strategies as possible, because complex strategies will confuse you and you won't know of where to apply strategies and what shall be done. So try to apply simple and simple and right strategies, and do not they should not be complex or complicated. So use them. So if you use simple and easy strategy, the stocks won't be that much complicated, and you will have a clear and defined idea of what you are buying and when you are buying. So that is why most of the traders, the professional traders, they apply this strategy. They use simple and efficient tools, so they can trade effectively in the stock market, and for this reason they make great fortunes. Now with that, with the using of those they with the using of these strategies, they identify this strategies, like using these strategies help them identify different entry and exit points. For this identification, they use for when these are identified, then they apply the strategies, and they come to the conclusion of applying a certain strategy, applying sorry, of recognizing different entry and exit points. And this and when they and when you and they like the professional traders, they identify these strategies, sorry, these entry and exit points, it will help you, you will make great fortune. So try to apply these strategies and use these to your trading, and you will see of how you make progress while trading stocks, and how you have made how you have made trading easy for yourself. So apply these strategies, use follow these rules. Number one is that use identify different tools for yourself, like different tools and indicators for yourself. The second thing is that you should um, I'd, identify different strategies, have a plan in place, follow these, and you will make trading effective for yourself. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. all I, all I want you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.